So by default, when you're setting up your homepage, uh, your slider will ideally go at the top. So let's go over how to get your slider. We'll go into our dashboard and under Revolution slider, um, you could create a new slider or you could import our slider. So if you import our slider, just browse to your files, look under additional files, live preview files, and select renovation slider.zip. So once you've done that, you can import the slider, and you're going to want to copy this shortcode, then find your homepage. So edit your homepage and then go under page settings, homepage slider. Pretty easy stuff. Just paste in that shortcode, update it, and now when you view your homepage, you've got yourself your slider built in. And then of course you can go under Revolution slider and start editing the slides. You can change the background image if you want. Pretty easy stuff. You can just start selecting various text. So if you want to adjust the text in these areas or the link, you can adjust those by clicking on the layers and then clicking on the different slides and updating them when you're done. So it's pretty easy to adjust the Revolution slider. One thing to note is you can look under your ThemeForce download. Under additional files, we've included the Revolution slider, which has about 15 different example sliders if you want. And you can check the documentation there. If you've never used the Revolution slider before and you need some help, just tinkering around with it, it's pretty self-explanatory. But if you want to, it's got tons of features built in. So if you want to look at more documentation on that, just go under additional files, Revolution slider, and they have a documentation specifically on the slider. Otherwise, you can edit these as much as you want. You can adjust the positioning of the captions. You really have a ton of control over the slider.